What do you hope this research will lead to?
We hope that this research will make us see beyond the long checklists of factors that have been identified by research for years and years, that which would be overwhelming for schools. Just to start from the top of that list and go down, that's just it's untangible. Whereas on the other hand, these broad universal solutions like one size fits all is also not going to work. So what we try to do is to see, okay, so what factors, what combinations of factors can actually help a school turn around? So everybody doesn't have to do everything at once, but at the same time, there are some recipes that you could try and target. And that is also one of the main findings, that we need to analyze and categorize schools before implementing these large change packages.
Very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.